every cake needs two things to begin with: a cake cardboard, which should be the same size as the cake, and a working platform, which should be at least 2 inches wider than the cake. The cake cardboard is a non-edible component that's needed for support. Once the cake is frosted, you can't see it anymore, but it's still there and should remain there up until the point when the cake is sliced. In the case of stacked cakes, the cake cardboard is also an important aspect of the infrastructure because it provides horizontal support between each tier. The working platform, on the other hand, is temporary and is not part of the cake, so it doesn't show in the end, which means it's okay to recycle old cake cardboards for this purpose. For larger sized cakes, I reuse inverted pizza pans or sheet pans. The working platform makes it possible to lift a cake in and out of the refrigerator and on and off of a turntable throughout the frosting and decorating stages, without ever having to touch the cake itself. The working platform remains with each cake tier of a stacked cake throughout the delivery process, or up until the point when that part of the cake is assembled. Here's a summary of the basics. Hold the offset spatula as you would a knife with your dominant hand, while using the opposite hand to spin the turntable. Try to keep the frosting underneath the blade at all times while you push it evenly over the surface of the cake. Avoid getting frosting on top of the blade. The bench scraper is the key to achieving smooth sides quickly and easily. Using a technique that I call the takeaway method, the pivotal moment when a cake goes from looking lumpy to looking smooth and crisp happens in the end, as one last layer of the cold buttercream shell gets whittled away. Once a frosted cake is cold, you can scrape off the excess to produce a smooth, consistent, and professional-looking finish.